This is one of the easiest Python challenges or coding problems on HackerRank, and it's called Integers Come in All Sizes. They introduce you to the nature of integers in Python, and they make a very important point that you will have to remember throughout your programming career, that there is no limit in size when it comes to Python integers. In C++, for example, we have 2 to the power of 31 minus 1. So that's a very large value, and that's the limits, the maximum limits for integers. Or you're going to have 2 to the power of 63 minus 1 for a long integer in C++. In Python, we don't have these limitations. If you have something like a to the power of b, obviously this value can grow large very quickly if the exponent b is getting larger. So in this coding challenge, we have to read 4 numbers, a, b, c, and d. They all have to be integers, and we have to print the results of a to the power of b plus c to the power of d. So if you look at my code editor, I already have my lines here. I wrote this myself. This accepts 4 lines of inputs. The first input will be for the value of a, second one is b, third one is c, and the last one is d. I need to print the result of a to the power of b plus c to the power of d. So an example is this here. If a is 9, b is 29, c is 7, and d is 27, it means we have to do 9 to the power of 29, which will be a really long value. And we have to add 7 to the power of 27, another very large value. So when we calculate this, we get this super large number. I don't even know how many digits they have, but it's very large. Again, they clarify that this result is bigger than 2 to the power of 63 minus 1. If we were to work in a language like C++, there's no way we'd be able to store this in a long integer. So in here, there's only one line of code that I need to add, and it's this one. I don't even need another variable to store the results. I can just call my print function, and inside, what do I want to print? It's a to the power of b plus c to the power of d. If you look here, I have double asterisks. If you're a beginner in Python, this simply means a to the power of b. So when you see double asterisks, it's like double multiplication, which means we're dealing with exponents. So that's the whole logic here. Only 5 lines of code. We've passed the sample test case, and now we submit. We have only 2 test cases because this is a basic math problem. We've passed all of them. So that was Integers Come in All Sizes in Python, the solution for this HackerRank challenge. If you like my solution, please subscribe and stay tuned for more solutions.